What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we back. This is part 5. It's been about 2 months of me driving. I had to get alignment, had to get some other stuff done. Let me show you guys the final product. This is the trunk. Kind of a little loud, but this is the trunk build. Check out that. Part 3, part 2, the first part actually. And this is the back. I also got lights on the board. I'm about to turn that on, but it's kind of loud. People looking at me crazy. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how I got everything ran. You know, I got the wires right here, 2 distribution blocks up here, positive, negative coming from the battery. All my wiring, the whatchamacallits under the board. You guys check out that part. You guys are gonna do it. Here go the controller. Got some new stickers. So I got it all ran, positive wire right here, and it goes to the distribution blocks to go to both compressors. And then this is the controller. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the controller. Show you guys another angle. This is it on the ground. Now we're about to go up. Probably can't see, but and then this is going back down. We just gonna get a good little bit of footage today, you guys. We got, we tuck it. It's all the way tucked. Nothing scraping, nothing pushing, but it's all the way on the ground. Also, you guys, let me know in the comments what wheels I should go, because I am going wheels next. Let me know what you guys think about it. Right now, we just about to. Also, the compressors come on every time you go up. Gotta fill the tank back up. But you guys, we about to go back up. Press that one time and then double tap it. I hope it's not loud and the traffic wasn't loud, but we about to go to some more spots, you guys, and get some more content in on bags. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. This is just a little review on bags. I already got alignment. It rides better than like stock to me. Like, you don't gotta worry about a lot of like stiffness. You don't gotta worry about it bouncing too much. I feel like it's perfect. But we about to get to our next location, and I'm gonna film some more content, get some more shots for you guys, and show you guys everything. Like I say, this is the last part. Part 1 is the trunk build. Part 2 is installing the air fittings on the bags itself. Part 3 is, I think, installing the actual bags on the car. Part 4 is wiring it, and this is part 5, the final part, which is a review. So make sure you guys check out all those videos. It's gonna be in the playlist at the end of the video. Make sure you guys check out all of that. But we about to get to the next location. I'll see you guys then. All right, YouTube, we back at another spot. We currently at Starbucks. Again, we about to go down. Let me show you guys. First, let me explain wiring, because I didn't explain it in the first part of the video. All right, so we got a positive coming from the front of the car. It's a 4-gauge wire, as you see it right there. Also, we got our Airlines ran right there. We got it ran to, it's a garment that comes in the inside of the car with the factory harness. So we got everything run through that harness. Power wire run through here. We got it ran through here. We got the ground which you can kind of see it right here. We got it on the seatbelt bolt. You see the positive wire right there, and we got the positive ran up here to a distribution block. I don't want to pull this back because it's gonna be hard to get back in there. Then we got the negative into a distribution block. We got everything ran to the board, so both compressors positive is going to the positive distribution block. Both compressors negative going to the negative distribution block. So basically, it's one 4-gauge wire and it's going to both compressors. Then here go the lights up on the board. I had to end up replacing all my air fittings. I replaced the water catch. I got a little toolbox in there. They got all air fittings in it just in case I break down the side of the road, which I'm gonna show you guys that. Show you guys how I got that secured. It is so hot out here. So this toolbox, I got a zip tie into this part. Okay, so we got all the air fittings in there, the Airline's sealant. Move this, all my little tools and stuff, little wiring couplings, all of that. And then in the bottom one, we got like sockets, all of that good stuff. So put that back on. That's pretty much it. We got the manifold right here, both compressors, the release valve. Also, like I said, the lights up on the board. You can't really see because it's daytime, but it's all up under here. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the build. Let me know what wheels you guys want me to get. I did hit the curb with this one, so it looks bad, but it's tucking this up under there. I also got my preset set to ride height is 70 at the front. At the back it should be like 50, 55. Well, this right here, that's ride height. And I don't really mess with it much. I just got ride height set, and then when I air out, I got it set to 10 PSI because they say you always want to leave some kind of air in the bag so you don't mess the bag up itself. So you don't want it to be all the way flat and bottom out. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys again. I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna show you guys it going up. We is by the highway again, so it's kind of loud, but I'll show you guys it going up. This way. All right, this is going up. And then this is going back down. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video. Stay tuned. Let me know in the comments what wheels should I go next, because that's my next step. I want to go wheels. And of course, the compressor got to fill the tank back up every time you air it up. Shoot air to the bags. But it is hot to do. It's scorching out this though. So, like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video. I'm probably gonna get a few more spots. I'm about to take some thumbnails for this video. I'm about to, I ain't gonna lie, this car do turn heads. This guy right here looking crazy. But we about to go to a few more spots. I'm gonna let you guys see it aired out, aired up, you know, all that good stuff. Bags is really the way to go. I recommend bags to a lot of people. A lot of people think, you know, it causes problems and, you know, bags bust and all that. If you get you a good quality set of airbags and you keep your stuff maintenance, which, and if you basically do it the right way the first time, you don't have to worry about repeating it. You know, you don't have to worry about switching out the airlines if you just run it right the first time. You don't got to worry about not pinching it if you do it right the first time. You don't got to worry about no fittings spraying air or whatever the first time. You just do it right and replace all fittings, everything new. So like I said, we about to go ahead and get to some more spots or whatever. Also, you guys, like I say, let me know in the comments what you think about my stickers too. I got JDM Performance, no hard feelings. I got my new Life of Tim stickers. Also got to film one more video doing floor mats. So we about to get to some more spots, and you know, let me know what you guys think. YouTube, this is hard, bro. This is fire. This build is hard. This is more footage before I end the video off. We also got the dampening adjustment knob, so I ain't show that in the second part when I install the bags. We got those. Also, make sure you guys go to my TikTok and Instagram because this car is all over it. I got so much content today. Beautiful day outside. I highly recommend you guys put bags on, even though it's a little expensive, but you can go coilovers and be just as low. It's just with coilovers, you know, you're gonna scrape more than normal, but there you have it, you guys. Make sure you watch all 5 videos. This series, this build is, this is a crazy build. This is my first build ever. Also, when you air it out, you gotta be careful opening the door because you will tear your door up at the bottom. So, like I said though, you know, that's the controller. You also got the app on the phone. Inside of my car, if you guys don't know, stars in the roof. It's my trunk, of course. Floor lights. Please let me know some good wheels, you guys. I don't want wheels that everybody got, but I like those. I think it's Emit or something like that, EMIT wheels. Those are fire. I like the design. I want to go chrome, all chrome. So let me know some good wheels that you guys think will look good on my car. Make sure you guys check out the whole series. I appreciate all the support. We almost had 1K subscribers. Almost there, almost there. So make sure you guys share the video, send it to a friend, put it in the Honda Facebook groups, all that good stuff. But there you have it, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to Life with Tim. Peace.